Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of futuristic innovation with the top 5 most mind-blowing cars of 2025. These are not just vehicles, they're machines from tomorrow, rolling into the present. So buckle up and let's hit the road into the future. For years, we've seen concepts and renders, but now, in 2025, those concepts are becoming realities. We're talking about cars that redefine efficiency, challenge design conventions, and push the boundaries of performance and technology. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the most significant forward-thinking vehicles shaping this new era. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 5, the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX. This car is an engineering breakthrough built for radical efficiency. The EQXX can travel over 1,000 kilometers, about 620 miles on a single charge of its compact battery. That's Berlin to the south of France, no stops. This range shatters the old limits of EV travel and makes long-distance journeys genuinely convenient. How did Mercedes do it? Efficiency engineering. Every component was optimized to reduce energy use. The EQX boasts a drag coefficient of just 0.171 of the most aerodynamic cars ever. Its lightweight construction uses carbon fiber and sustainable composites, making the battery pack 30% lighter and 50% smaller than the EQS sedans, but with similar capacity. The electric drive unit, developed with their Formula One team, achieves 95% efficiency from battery to wheels. Inside, a seamless 47.5-inch 8K display uses energy-saving mini LED tech. Ultra-low rolling resistance tires and 117 solar cells on the roof add up to 25 kilometers of free range on sunny days. The EQXX isn't just a concept, its innovations are headed for future Mercedes models. Instead of just adding bigger batteries, Mercedes focused on smarter, lighter, and more efficient solutions. The Vision EQXX is a blueprint for a sustainable electric future. It proves you can have a desirable, comfortable, and advanced vehicle that's also incredibly efficient. This is Mercedes-Benz declaring that the future of electric cars is about intelligence and sustainability, not just power or luxury. The EQXX is a rolling lab, and its DNA will soon be in cars you can buy. It's a fundamental shift in thinking for the entire industry. The EQX sets a new standard for what's possible in EVs. It's not about brute force, it's about elegant engineering. This is why it's on our list. The future of electric cars starts here. Efficiency is the new luxury. That's the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQX. Number 4 is the Tesla Cybertruck, a vehicle that looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. Now on the roads, it's as polarizing and futuristic as ever. The Cybertruck's exoskeleton is made of cold-rolled stainless steel flat planes, sharp angles, and structural body panels. This design isn't just for looks, it's about durability and manufacturing innovation. The steel is dent-resistant, even bullet-resistant to small arms fire. Tesla's use of flat, unpainted steel radically simplifies production. The Cybertruck features steer-by-wire and 4-wheel steering, giving it a turning circle smaller than a Model S performance. The Cyberbeast model does 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds supercar territory. Adaptive air suspension offers up to 17 inches of ground clearance for off-roading. The bed, called the Vault, is made from tough composite with a powered tonneau cover and a built-in ramp. Power outlets, including a 240V in the bed, let you run tools or even power your home. Inside, it's pure Tesla minimalism, a massive touchscreen, a yoke-style steering wheel, and almost no physical buttons. The design is either brilliantly simple or frustratingly sparse, but undeniably futuristic. The Cybertruck's sharp design raises questions about safety and repairability, and production has been challenging. But it's forced the entire industry to rethink what a truck can be. The Cybertruck is a cultural phenomenon as much as a vehicle. It's Elon Musk's vision of a radical sci-fi future, uncompromising and bold. Love it or hate it, it's changed the conversation around electric trucks. The Cybertruck is a rolling experiment, a statement piece, and a glimpse of what's possible when you throw out the rulebook. It's not just a product of 2025, it feels like it's from decades ahead. That's why it's one of the most fascinating vehicles on the road. The future of trucks will never be the same. The Cybertruck is here, and it's impossible to ignore. It's a true anomaly. That's the Tesla Cybertruck. At number 3, the BMW INX Flow with e-ink, a car that can change its color on demand. This isn't paint, it's a dynamic surface that shifts from black to white in an instant. The secret? Millions of microcapsules in the wrap, each with charged pigments. Apply an electric field and the car's skin changes color just like a Kindle screen. It's incredibly energy efficient, using power only during the color change. But it's not just a party trick. On hot days, switch to white to reflect sunlight and keep the cabin cool, saving battery. On cold days, turn it black to absorb heat and warm the cabin, improving range. It's a passive climate control system built into the car's skin. Personalization is huge. Change your car's color to match your mood, outfit, or just for fun. BMW has even shown dynamic patterns and designs, turning the car into a moving canvas. Safety and communication. The car could flash for visibility, display battery status, or show turn signals on its body. Right now, it's limited to shades of gray, but full-color versions are in development. Imagine shifting from blue to red to green with a tap on your phone. The iNX Flow is still a concept, but BMW is serious about bringing it to production. It's a glimpse into a future where cars are interactive, efficient, and deeply personal. The technology blurs the line between static object and dynamic tech. It's more than a color-changing car, it's a platform for innovation. The iNX Flow is a game-changer for automotive customization. It's a feature that feels truly next-generation. The future of car design is adaptive. The BMW INX Flow earns its spot as one of 2025's most mind-blowing innovations. The chameleon car is real. That's the BMW INX Flow. Number 2 is the Cadillac inner space concept, a vision of luxury in a fully autonomous world. When you don't have to drive, the experience inside becomes everything. The inner space has no steering wheel, no pedals, just a plush, wraparound lounge for two. The focus shifts from driving to enjoying the journey. The centerpiece is a massive panoramic LED screen for entertainment, Arkansas, or wellness apps. Watch movies, take virtual tours, or meditate while the car drives itself. Entry is dramatic. The roof hinges up and the seats pivot out to welcome you. It feels more like boarding a private jet than getting into a car. Biometric sensors and AI tailor the environment. Lighting, scents, and music adjust to your mood. The all-electric platform allows a low, sleek design and a vast, open cabin. The inner space is part of Cadillac's Halo concept portfolio, envisioning seamless, luxurious mobility. It's not just a car, it's a piece of a future transportation ecosystem. True Level 5 autonomy isn't here yet, but inner space is Cadillac's North Star. It's a design for the future, inspiring today's vehicles. The ultimate luxury? Time. The inner space gives you back the hours you'd spend driving. It's about the quality of the experience, not just the destination. While still a concept, its ideas are shaping Cadillac's next generation. Lounge-like interiors, wellness features, and immersive displays are already trending. The inner space is the extreme vision of where luxury cars are heading. It's a beautiful, compelling look at a driverless future. That's the Cadillac inner space. At number 1, the Rimac Nea, a car that redefines performance. 4 electric motors, nearly 2,000 horsepower, and a 0-60 time of 1.74 seconds. Top speed, 258 miles per hour, the fastest production electric car ever. The Nea's acceleration is instant and brutal, recalibrating your sense of speed. But it's not just a drag racer. Each wheel has its own motor, enabling advanced torque vectoring for incredible handling. The car's computer adjusts power to each wheel thousands of times per second. It can correct slides, tighten corners, and put down power with precision. An AI driver coach uses sensors and cameras to guide you on the perfect racing line. Rimac designs and builds its own motors, inverters, and battery systems in-house. The 120 kWh battery is a structural part of the carbon fiber chassis, keeping weight low and rigidity high. Every vent and surface is functional, managing airflow for cooling and downforce. Active aerodynamics constantly adjust for speed and stability. Inside, it's a blend of high-tech screens and traditional craftsmanship. Rimac is also a major supplier of EV tech to Porsche, Hyundai, and Bugatti. The Nea is their ultimate showcase, a rolling advertisement for their engineering. Only 150 will be made, but its impact is industry-wide. The Nea proves electric power is the future of high performance. It's shattered records and set a new bar for what a car can do. The Nea is a masterpiece of engineering and the most mind-blowing car of 2025. The electric hypercar era has arrived. That's the Rimac Nea. From color-changing cars to AI-powered lounges and record-breaking speed, the cars of 2025 prove the future is here. We've seen efficiency redefined, conventions shattered, and technology brought to life. These aren't just concepts. They're shaping the cars you'll see on the road. The innovation on display signals a massive shift in personal transportation. Which of these futuristic cars blew your mind? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you next time.